Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. But today we're back on the Blackstone. We're going to be making some stuffed French toast. So stick around, we'll show you how we do that. Alright guys, so I've already put 8 eggs in here. I put some cinnamon, just however much you like. I like to use heavy whipping cream instead of milk. Gives it a little more richness. That's 8 eggs. I probably put about 3/4 of this in there. And we're just going to mix this up. Now we need to make our stuffing. So we've got some of this Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake that we're going to throw in here. And I'm going to put probably half of that in this here bag. So I do it, makes it easy to clean up. That should be plenty. We got some strawberry cream cheese. We're going to throw that in there with it. Just like so. And we're going to mix that up. Easiest way to mix it, just in the bag. Alright guys, we're going to get going with our French toast here. Just going to dunk it in the batter over here. Get it on the grill. Alright guys, so then we just take our filling in our bag, cut a hole in it. Just like so. We're going to take this one, throw them on top, let them warm up for just a minute so that center gets nice and gooey. They'll be ready to eat. Alright guys, these are done. I'm going to put these in our pan here, keep them warm until we get them all done and we're ready to eat. Alright guys, we got our stuffed French toast done here. You can see the inside of it. Looks good. Let's try this out. Syrup on there. I give that 2 thumbs up. It's real simple at recipe. That filling was really easy to make. Everything was good. Went it good on the Blackstone. Really good. I'm gonna get this inside, let everybody eat. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.